Hey guys, this is HZad from HZad Education. I'm here again with another really good post on English writing, more specifically IELTS writing and its vocabulary. A lot of people are stuck at a 6.5, right? We've been there, we've all been there, and that's why probably you're listening to this video, because most of us need to just jump over that 7 and get to a good level. Unfortunately, this problem of being stuck at 6.5 persists for months, but there is one simple technique that could help you get out of it, and that is superior vocabulary. I posted a link on our blog, on the HZad Education blog, the link will be in the description below, where you could see how to improve the vocab and how to use some really good and effective techniques that examiners are really looking for and hoping for. They're wishing that students know these things so that they could very happily give you guys a 7+. The post would show you some techniques where you could combine some effective words and change a very simple sentence into a much more complex one. To give you an example, there was a sentence that a student wrote. It was something like, I believe that students all over the world should be given free education to improve the literacy rate. Pretty simple sentence, free of grammar mistakes, but not worth a 7 band, just because it's so simple. Now, we were able to use some strategies and some techniques explained in this blog where we were able to transform this sentence into something like this. By realizing the plausible enhancement in the concurrent literacy rates, individuals much like myself would firmly affirm that education should be made financially accessible. As you can see, this is a much more fancy sentence and something much closer to a band 7 than a band 6. Hence, if you're able to use some effective strategies to transform these kinds of sentences into the final result that I showed you guys, you will be on your way to scoring a great number for that IELTS exam. Hence, please visit this link in the description with a detailed description on how to get the score and how to make these kinds of sentences, and I'm sure you will really benefit from it. I'm excited to see your comments on this and your feedback, and I'm sure you guys will be able to really take this to heart and implement in your future IELTS essays. Once again, we post weekly, mostly on Mondays, on YouTube and on our blog, so you can subscribe to our blog as well as our YouTube channel, and please click on that notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys, and take care.